They say we're supposed to expect like 2 inches of snow, but I don't think it's gonna snow at all. You want to be in the front cover?
Yeah.
I'm out here at the UPS store. I got my first order. I'll go ahead and ship it. Shout out to Mo Evolution. He drives a sick Evo 10, I believe. Put that his Instagram and stuff on the screen. You can go check it out. But yeah, I'm over here at UPS. Unfortunately, UPS was closed. Okay, so actually, one more thing. I want to test the mic inside the engine bay, so I'm gonna try and swing it one last time, and we'll see what happens. Let's try this one more time. I'm gonna put the mic in the engine bay and hope it doesn't fly everywhere. I'll clamp it to my washer hose. Alright, so unfortunately, that probably looked very terrible. I don't know. I'm still learning. It's my first time ever swinging a car, but let me know how I did. I probably didn't do that good, but I gotta keep practicing. Hopefully I'll get it better. But look how sick the spot is. I just took some pictures. Maybe I'll do a little cinematic right now too.
Like bluebird, 2 cuz I don't still stare. Inside got caught on first, outside got spread on birds. With gray on the wheel, no maple. Every time you know they favor. Relationship good with the neighbors. In the hood, every soldier be cater. Anything can really be a day, bruh. Anything can really be the day, bruh. I'm the boss, I take a pay cuts. Tired of power, the baby guts. I gotta see what you made of. Skin on the shoe is a gator. Always follow that flavor. Pass them niggas on hand. They be the real inspiration. When I lost that, I was patience, yeah.
She's gonna swing it.
No.
You can do it? I put the launch control to 43 so that way it spins easier, but it's too easy because it's on ice. We're just waiting on Michael. You want to call him? Are they gonna slide it?
Are we in the way?
Oh, just some random people showed up and they're sliding it. Should I show them what's up? seatbelt on, Bubba. Huh?
Little snowman was so cute.
Oh, I stalled.
Oh no.
And the auto legacy is crazy. Oh, he's gonna hit the curb. Ooh. What do you think about this auto legacy out here?
Bro, dude is out here bugging. He's sliding that bitch though. I ain't gonna lie.
I don't know if you saw that.
Did you see me almost crash?
Miking you up.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, do the commentary.
Oh
You can just
man.
go in if you want.
All right, bet. You ready? All right, let's get it. Give her the beans, brother. I know it's too late, but when you see it, when you're editing it, I know you see it. Give her the beans, man. What the fuck was that, Tony? There we go. That wasn't it. You were out of the ice. You were out of the ice. There we go. Give her the gas. Give her some gas. Yes, sir. And we stalled. El Tony stalling. Eric's boy pulling up, you know what I'm saying? All right, I'm giving Tony's drift a good solid 6 out of 10. Good shit, brother.
Yeah. Oh, here comes Michael. Here comes Michael.
He macked?
First drift.
He macked?
Send it again. What do you think about Michael's first drift when he pulled in?
Bro, this guy was so fucking close to that curb right there. It's not even funny.
Michael's like that though.
I'm like that. I know you saw that. My man's getting 0 fucks, bro. Take over Michael.
What is he doing? Oh. Oh. He's like that.
Oh my goodness.
What was that?
It grips up in 4th gear. I can't do top of 4th. Top of 3rd's all day though.
All right, it's fast again. How was that, Bubba?
It's good.
Better than the last one?
Killed it.
She's lying. So what do you think's gonna happen if he puts it in 4?
He's gonna get 1 million horsepower to R35 GTR launch control and fly off the bridge right there.
Say that one more time.
AI generated video on a closed course.
We're in Mexico.
This is the new CapCut AI.
You chat GPT a video idea.
He's crab walking.
Hell yeah. Let's freaking go, Bryce! Woo! That's what I'm talking about.
What was the?
Way too much grip. Had to switch back to two-wheel drive.
Alright, I'm gonna do something dumb as hell. I'm gonna come in here, coming hot as fucking with the wheel, see if I can do a 360.
Okay, cool. Here, let me mic you up.
Alright. In here, how long is the range? Alright. I can't roll the windows down, so that'll be good. This car's got nothing. Like the gauges don't work, nothing works. Really gonna Mac. Ba, 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 ba. Lusty meats in the house, baby. Car's eating red line, and Bryce is coming in hot. Bryce is coming in hot. Holy shit, Bryce, crazy angle. Alright, coming in again. Hot as fuck. Alright. This is it. Look at Bryce. Look at him go. What's up?
Last one.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna leave. I'm sketched. All right, I'm gonna do a 360. I did like a 270 last time. All right. Wham bam 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 bam. Fuck. I'm finna get stuck. Shit, there's too much for this. Too much schmutz on the ice. Too much. Not enough horsepower.
All right, we're probably gonna get out of here because she has homework to do.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to jail. Good to see you. Yo, Bryce, why are you so nasty with it?
Yeah.
I'm not that nasty, bro.
Yeah,
I tried.
man, shut the freak up.
So we're currently back home. Let me know how I did on my sliding. And Chris is
Back to the
de-icing her car.
for the third time.
For those asking why is she doing it and not me, she likes doing it. I asked her to let me do it.
It's like
Satisfying.
yeah. I'm never gonna get this again.
I also got this new man purse, Calvin Klein. Just
From
kidding.
Temu?
Just kidding, it's hers.
From Temu, because you're a Temu lover.
Temu God. Anyways, yeah, let me know how I did on my slides. Till the next video.